Now let's create an information architecture for this Flipkart site. To create this information architecture, I'm using FigJam, which is a part of Figma. So when I click here, it opens a new document which is FigJam document, and I'm going to rename this as Flipkart information architecture. So these are the details where we can use to create an information architecture in this FigJam file. So as of now, I'm going to take this rectangle or square, that's up to you. Like I'm just taking this shape. Based on this shape, I'm just clicking on here and changing the details. Like I would like to change the color, background color to something grayish color, and the stroke border should be something just like this. So now let's start building this Flipkart information architecture. To start off, we should need a home page that acts as a hub, so which is Flipkart. Then we want all our users to have their own account or a profile. So I'm going to create a profile or account. Then in Flipkart, we'll be having multiple products. So I'm going to create a product hub. Also in Flipkart itself, I will be having a home page where I will be having some multiple details. So I'm going to create a home page too. In Flipkart Hub itself, I'll be having a support where all my details of the Flipkart like emailing, chat, calls, details like social media, ticketing, everything will be there. So I'm going to add support. Then I will be having the information about the details like privacy policies, terms and conditions, FAQs, etc. So for this, I'm going to add one more. So this is info. So this is the basic view of this information architecture. Let's deep dive into single one. So let's start with this home page. In the home page itself, I'll be having campaigns where there are some multiple brands. They are going to showcase their brands and the campaigns will be going on in this Flipkart homepage itself. Then we'll be having a lot of deals in Flipkart when you scroll down, where you can find best deal for you and you can utilize the deals. Also, there are more offers in Flipkart where you can utilize the offers and you can buy any product in Flipkart. Then Flipkart shows the top selling products of the Flipkart platform where you can buy the products too. Also, there are some services promos will be there in the Flipkart which you can utilize it. Then now let's jump into products. So when you see products, there are multiple hundreds of products that are there in the Flipkart. So let's categorize one by one. So when it comes to Flipkart, they will be having electronic goods, and you can see fashion. You can buy clothing too in Flipkart. So I'm going to add a category which is fashion. Also, you will be having furniture where you can buy furniture online too in Flipkart. There are some multiple categories. I'm just listing out one by one. So just like this, we'll be having a baby toys too in Flipkart. And Flipkart itself, you can buy fitness equipments. Also, you can buy groceries in Flipkart. And also one more thing, you can buy automobile stuff too in Flipkart. Then the list is going to be more. So I'm going to restrict here just like this. In Flipkart, you can buy all the products that will be shown here, something just like this. So when it comes to support, in support there are some ticketing systems just like email ticketings, something like that. And in support itself, you can check your order details, and in support itself you can have a chart. You can chart with the customer client, and same in support itself you can do calls too. Also there are some social media platforms that you can go and subscribe to Flipkart. Now let's jump into info, and in info you can see privacy policy, then you can see then you can see terms and conditions. Also you can see FAQs too. Now let's discuss about profile, and in profile you can see your profile details, and in profile details also you can see orders. Also in profile you can see payment details. Then you can see your addresses. So this is the basic information architecture which we have created for the Flipkart. So based on this, we can go for next steps of designing process.